Hair fashion hacks refer to tips, tricks, and techniques that can help you achieve different hairstyles, maintain your hair's health, and keep it looking stylish and trendy. These hacks are useful for everyone who wants to elevate their hair game, whether they are beginner or an experienced hair enthusiast. Here are some hair fashion hacks that you may find helpful. Use dry shampoo to refresh your hair. If you don't have time to wash your hair, dry shampoo can be a lifesaver. It can be absorb excess oil and leave your hair looking fresh and clean. Spray it at the roots and work it in your fingers for the best result. Curl your hair with a straightener. You don't need a curling iron to create curls. You can use a straightener to create soft loose waves. Simply clump a section of hair with the straightener and twist it away from your face. Then pull it through the straightener. This will create a natural looking curl. Use a silk pillowcase. Clipping on a silk pillowcase can help prevent hair breakage and keep your hair looking smooth and shiny. The silk gentle on your hair and won't cause friction like a cotton pillowcase can. Create a day hair mask. You don't need to spend a lot of money on hair masks. You can make your own with ingredients you already have at home. For example, you can mix honey and olive oil for a moisturizing mask or avocado and egg for a protein rich mask. Use a microfiber towel to dry your hair. Regular towels can be harsh on your hair and case freeze. A microfiber towel is gentler and will help absorb excessive water without causing damage. Try a half up, half down hairstyle. If you are looking for a quick and easy hairstyle, a half up, half down style is a great option. Simply pull the top half of your hair back and secure it with a clip or elastic. This will keep your hair out of your face while still allowing you to show off your length. Use a hair serum to tame frizz. If you have frizzy hair, a hair serum can help tame it. Look for a serum that contains silicone, which will help smooth your hair and prevent frizz. Create a messy bun. A messy bun is a classic hairstyle that can be dressed up or down. Simply gather your hair into a high ponytail. Twist it